Hey you, my name is Dennis and now I'll show you how to reset your phone to factory default settings. But before doing that, I faithfully recommend you to back up all your data using iCloud option. Be sure you have enough space on your cloud account. If no, just update your plan. Or at least you can save your photos and videos just by connecting your iPhone to your laptop. So let's move to actually resetting your iPhone to factory defaults. So you click on Settings. After you have to scroll down, click on General. After that, scroll down again and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here you have to click on Erase all content and settings. You see all the items that will be removed from your iPhone. You tap to continue. And after that you actually enter your password. After iPhone should ask you again entering password, and after that actually the process of resetting your iPhone will begin. After that you will get your brand new iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to the channel to get the top new tips and tricks for your everyday life. Take care. Bye.